Hey, welcome back! In part 2, I broke down the basics of TCP/IP and delved into some of the most essential networking protocols out there. Today let's level up your skills and talk about 5 more protocols you'll actually use in the real world. SNMP, Radius, TACACS+, OSPF, and BGP. These might sound like a jumble of letters now, but trust me, by the end of this video they'll make total sense. Let's kick things off with SNMP. That stands for Simple Network Management Protocol. Basically, SNMP is the go-to tool for monitoring and managing all those devices humming away on your network. Think routers, switches, and servers. With SNMP, network admins can check in on a device's health, track bandwidth usage, or even get alerts if something's going wrong. It's like having a dashboard for your entire network, right at your fingertips. Next up, Radius. If you've ever logged into Wi-Fi at a coffee shop or your office, Radius was probably involved behind the scenes. Radius stands for Remote Authentication Dial-In User Service. The idea is simple, it checks if you're allowed in. When you try to connect, your login details go straight to the Radius server, which decides if you get access. It keeps things secure, especially when users are connecting from all over the place. Now let's talk TACACS+. This one's a favorite for network administrators. TACACS+ stands for Terminal Access Controller Access Control System Plus. Yeah, it's a mouthful. What makes it special? It doesn't just check who you are, it also controls what you can do and tracks what you've done. So if an admin logs into a router, TACACS+ can decide if they're allowed to make changes or just look around, and it logs every action for accountability. Super handy for big teams managing lots of devices. Moving on to OSPF, or Open Shortest Path First. This is an interior gateway protocol, which means it's used for routing data inside organizations, like within a company's private network. OSPF routers constantly talk to each other, sharing information about the best routes for data to travel. If there's a faster path, OSPF finds it and updates the network, helping everything run efficiently and smoothly. Finally, there's BGP, the Border Gateway Protocol. This is the protocol that basically makes the internet work. Whenever you send data from one side of the world to the other, BGP is figuring out the best path, jumping between ISPs and connecting entire networks together. Picture a global map with data bouncing between countries. That's BGP in action. Alright, quick recap. SNMP keeps your network under control, Radius and TACACS+ handle who gets in and what they can do, OSPF finds the best routes inside your network, and BGP keeps the whole internet connected. If you found this helpful, give it a like, share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe, because in part 4, I'm diving even deeper into the world of networking. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.